Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. So what you see here is an addition. This flat section here is an addition, and then this is the original portion of the house. Now, the shingles here cannot be here because it's too flat. So there is a complaint about a leak right where my level is. But to show you guys, with the 2-foot level, we're at about 2 1/4. So that is 1 1/4 in 12 pitch. So just call it 1 in 12 pitch. So this is too flat. So the reason that this roof is leaking in this area here is because you cannot have shingles here. So what I'm going to do is right where the leak is, I'm going to pull up the shingles and I'm going to show you the dirty water trail getting into the nails. Alright, so I've drawn a circle in red where the nails are. They're so rusty you can barely see them. But what's happening is, because the water isn't shedding fast enough, it's pooling in this flat area, and then it's going down the nail holes. Okay, so this nail here is up on the looks like a 412 pitch. This one is in this flat area here, so it's one of these ones here, but you can see how rusty the nail is, which means water's been going down it. So guys, when it comes to a shingled roof, at least here where I am, 212, so every linear foot you need to have at least 2 inches, and it depends on where you are, but for this roof here, the pitch is just too shallow for shingles, and that's why it's leaking. Guys, that's your quick tip of the week.